In this video, I'm excited because this is a fully funded scholarship for those that are interested in an online degree program as well as for on-campus degrees in the United Kingdom. And this particular application is free of charge. IELTS or TOEFL is not required for this scholarship application. It will be covering your full tuition fees, accommodation, travel, monthly stipends, and study material if you're going to be studying on campus in the UK. And for the online students, you will get a full tuition cover and academic stipend for your internet and laptop, plus other amazing benefits that you wouldn't want to miss. So please consider watching this video to the end to get all the vital details.
Hi, my name is Sylvia and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and friends.
If you're interested in the on-campus scholarship, it is a one-year postgraduate on-campus scholarship in the following programs: African and International Development, Food Security, Sustainable Energy System, Entrepreneurship and Innovation, Data Inequality and Society, Operational Research, Environmental Sustainability, Climate Change, Finance and Investment, Planetary Health, and Environment and Development. So if you're interested in any of these programs, you can click on the plus sign to find out more. So the scholarship covers your full tuition fees, accommodation, travel, living cost stipend, and study materials. You would have access to the Climate Leadership Program to inspire and support scholars in making changes in their communities and countries. You would also be receiving additional support offered to scholars with disability based on their assessment of needs. And this is the application timeline for 2023-2024. So the application is already open since October 23rd, 2023, and the application closes on the 7th of December 2023. And you'll be starting your academic program in September of 2024. So you can do well and go through this application timeline. And these are the eligibility criteria. You must qualify academically for admission to the University of Edinburgh for the relevant degree listed, which you already have seen, and you can click on this link to see the entry requirements. And you must have graduated from an undergraduate study by September of 2023, and you must be a resident and citizen in a sub-Saharan African country, and you must demonstrate a track record of leadership and service within your community. You must demonstrate experience or at least ambition in making a meaningful impact in addressing the climate crisis. You must be 35 or under as of 1st of September 2024. Particularly, they welcome application from female scholars or scholars from refugee or displaced background and scholars with disability. So please do well and forward this video to as many as possible who are females or refugees or those that are disabled to take advantage of this opportunity. And this scholarship is called the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship Program at the University of Edinburgh in the United Kingdom. Please note that you must apply first to the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship Program before applying to the university. So first of all, apply to the scholarship, and once you get the scholarship, then you can apply to the University of Edinburgh for the respective program. And if you're interested in the online scholarship, this is the online postgraduate scholarship, and the online studies are excellent for those who would like to continue working and prefer to study in their local context. For example, you like to be closer to your family, so you don't want to travel, so you can undertake to do this program. And the online qualification through the University of Edinburgh are equivalent to the degree taught on campus, so you're not missing anything. And you can either apply for either online masters, which is part-time for over 3 years, or online postgraduate diploma, which is also part-time for over 2 years. It's designed to cover 3 years of part-time online studies in the following programs. So if you're interested in international development, global food security and nutrition, global challenges, carbon management, One Health, circular economy, sustainable land and city, and also social justice and community action. So you can click on each of them to find out more. As well as if you're interested in the online postgraduate diploma, it is designed to cover 2 years of part-time online studies in the following programs listed here as well. So you can click on any of these links to learn more about these programs. And the online scholarship covers your full tuition fees, So scholars will not pay for any part of the tuition fees. You would also be receiving academic stipend to cover for access to high quality internet and laptop. You would also have the opportunity to attend in-person gathering. You would also participate in activities in the climate leadership program at the University of Edinburgh, including the regular online workshops, online coachings and support. You would also have a dedicated online coordinator, as well as additional support is offered to scholars with disabilities based on an assessment of needs. And this is the application timeline for 2023-2024. So the applications are already open since 23rd of October 2023, and it will be closing on the 7th of December 2023. Between February and July, you'll be having interviews, and thereafter in September of 2024, your academic program starts. And this is the eligibility criteria like we already saw in the previous program. You must qualify academically for admission at the University of Edinburgh. You must have graduated from an undergraduate studies by September of 2023. You must be a resident or citizen in a sub-Saharan African country, and you must have faced barriers to education and early career. You must demonstrate a track record of leadership and service within your community. You must be 35 or under as of 1st of September 2024, and you should not have previously completed a postgraduate degree and should not be enrolled at a separate university whilst on the MasterCard Foundation scholarship. So you can take your time and go through this page to understand more. I would encourage you to go through their frequently asked questions. It has a whole lot of information covered here. And one important question is, which postgraduate degree are covered on this scholarship? And it says we offer scholarship for the following online degree programs. So if you're interested in the online degree programs, these are the list of programs that are eligible for this scholarship. And if you're interested in the on-campus postgraduate programs, these are the list of programs that are eligible for this scholarship. No other academic programs at the University of Edinburgh are eligible for this scholarship. So only the above listed programs are the ones eligible for this scholarship. Another important question is, do I need to take an English language test? And it says English language test results are not a requirement when applying for the MasterCard Foundation scholarship. So you can do well and go through it. And to send in your application, you click on either the on-campus learning scholarship or the online learning scholarship, whichever one you're interested in. And it brings you to the application page for 2024-2025 academic year. And here you can see it opens on the 23rd of October 2023, and the deadline is the 1st of December 2023. Click on apply. Then it brings you to this page and you click on register if you don't have an account before with SurveyMonkey, or you log in with your email and password and continue with your application. Please let me know in the comment section below if you'll be applying to this scholarship, or if you have any challenges or questions. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.